Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
So the other day I went to visit me big son in Kingston. He say him buy a new house and want me to come and see it. Me I expect to see one nice house with big yard. Fin heap of picnic them run up and down in a. For fin wife come in like a rabbit. 6 picnic in a 5 years. Well, me never knew it was a tenement yard in gonna live into. But 30 other people live in the one yard. Then call it apartment, but me know better. For apartment is nothing more than a uptown tenement yard with a security guard at the gate and one bag of people are fast in your business. First of all, there are one number in the parking space that belong to each somebody. And for me son, he can never get for one. Somebody else always park in there. And like a spite, the one somebody when I no walk, so that the car they never move. Then he tell me say him a pay maintenance. So me ask him what that for. He claim to say that everybody have to pay it. So that the security guard and the gardener can get pay. To fall it, me no see what them a pay them for. The security a shut the gate pan you before you come out and a creep up your car. One Dickens fi see him a fight with the remote for he no know where him a do you know. Then the part what make me roll a ground and nearly dead. The helper that here has washing his clothes. A papa neck for me case and done before the rest of helper them reach the clothesline. I never seen nothing like this from my barn. You woulda think a detective them. I watch them one another from round the corner. To see if one of them a take down clothes. So the other one can bam rush the line before she come out with another load. If that are not tenement yard living, I don't know what is. 30 different set of people a fight for one set of clothesline. Ah boy. And then says uptown living and them a pay one heap of money for it. But land their country a while. All time people used to say, tenancy no while no dance, but interference mash it up. Me a keep me mouth shut. For now, one thing me a fi say, me a nide and me don't talk.
Let me tell you. Any day you pass back again, you hear her complain about something else. But make sure you come back, you hear? For me really can't use the company else. And me and her one day, I'll no come back, you hear?
Another Yaadbridge Entertainment production.